Before creating Roadloft, we lived 3 years full-time in our minivan traveling across North America. This experience on the road brought us to design what we think is the best conversion kit.
We've learned important lessons in terms of both design and manufacturing process. It led us to design the optimal model in terms of functionality and space optimization.
We've been working with industrial designers and manufacturing specialists to develop a unique expertise in design. We have set up an ultra-modern production line that combines technology with the craftsmanship attention to details and finish.
This allows us today to be convinced that the Roadloft kit is a super camper solution. It's accessible, ingenious, and of excellent quality.
Prior to launch the product, we had over a year and a half of testing and prototyping with our designer to ensure a light, solid, and hyper-resistant kit. We had our main focus on optimizing space and maintaining a very high resale value.
Guided by our years on the road, we designed the space to include a table and a bench, a kitchen, a long bed with an unobstructed view, a toilet area, and several multi-access storage spaces.
To achieve the highest standards, we brought together the best manufacturing processes, materials, wood, protection, and assembly strategy.
On the road, we met people feeling ill because of mold from equipment that was poorly protected from humidity. That's why we decided to apply the best practice in wood protection. More expensive, but non-negotiable manufacturing decisions giving their importance.
First, by using a strong but light wood, which is important for lower fuel consumption and easier handling of the kit. A marine-grade plywood is the ultimate moisture-resistant wood for our concept.
After having precisely cut each piece, we apply a non-toxic varnish that contains no volatile organic compounds even when exposed to high temperature. This represents a higher cost, but for us, it's non-negotiable because we believe that sleeping in your vehicle, you must be protected from any toxic fumes.
Each piece goes through a sanding and varnishing line 6 times to protect every surface and cut edges. Because what is the use of a varnish if it's not applied to all surfaces? We have seen kits made of pre-varnished panels, but where the cut edges were not. Certainly a manufacturing cost saving, but a door wide open to mold.
Our multi-layer application of eco-friendly varnish ensure optimal protection of the wood and a healthy environment that mold will never reach.
And then, for assembly, each component is glued and then nailed.
As our designer always says, mechanics break. It is for this reason that it is necessary to limit the use of hardware, because this is what tends to break due to road vibrations.
For the inevitable, like the drawer slides, we make no compromise and we use reliable hardware and assembly methods to withstand the vibrations of the road.
On the road, the slightest handling can become irritating. Our design allows easy access to luggage in different ways thanks to multiple access compartments. The design also allows the ventilation of the wood and the mattress.
If you're 6 feet tall, you need a bed that fits you. If it's shorter, you clearly won't be comfortable. The one from Roadloft is 80 inches.
People often rely on the thickness of a mattress to determine its comfort. In fact, it's the density that counts, because it's what allows an optimal and lasting support and makes it hold its shape for a long time. Our mattress, selected by a kinesiologist, has a high density and is protected by a waterproof cover.
Thanks to the open space design that leaves a full rear view, you'll be able to contemplate all the beautiful landscape on your way. Whether sitting at the table enjoying a good meal or simply lying on the bed.
The Roadloft conversion kit is made of 6 models whose weight varies between 6 and 13 kilos. Compact to store, it is light to take out, install, and remove.
With all of these perks together, we promise you'll enjoy your Roadloft camper kit for a long time.
Combining all these qualities is a little more expensive, but our equipment retains its value, and the investment is quickly profitable for customers. Our equipment is designed to take you far and last a long time. With Roadloft, your dreams will come a long way.